you. I'm talking to Princess, right?
Okay.
Don't
Let me talk.
disrespect me. Teka lang. I'm the older sister. Teka lang. Tandaan mo yan. Oh my God, I hate your drama.
Akala ko may
Lagi kang ganyan. Hindi ikaw yung kinakausap, pero ikaw yung laging sumasaw-saw. Bakit?
Guys, please.
Bakit nagmamadali kang pumunta dito kasi favorite ka ni Dad, diba? Ikaw yung favorite ni Dad, diba? I'm your older sister! Makinig ka! Kapay na! Wala! Bakit? Kung older sister kita, nung kailangan kita, asan ka? Nung kailangan din kita, asan kayong lahat? Get out! Get out of my life! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out na ako! Get out! Please! Get out! Tristan! And never show yourself to us again! Hindi ka namin tanggap at hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Leave!
Okay, this is about that. That's why I called the both of you. Can you stop fighting?
I'm leaving. Bahala na kayo.
Ashley!